In this video, I will explain how to use the web app to create wind farm on Google Earth. Before starting explanation, if your PC doesn't have Google Earth desktop, please install it first through this download site. So now, please click Create tab. So there are 3 steps. So in the first step is to input the general information. For the project name, let's say Project X. And the color is the color of the wind turbine. This time I just choose green. The heading is heading of the wind turbine, and 0 is north and like 90 is east. So if you want to make it northeast, please type it 45. And hub height and blade length is, let's say hub height is 120 meters and the length is 80 meters. And position of the blade means if you want to make the blade rotation position to be random, please click here. Check this box. And for the bird strike prevention checkbox is if you want to make a part of the blade to be black, please click here. But this time I just unclicked. For the step 2, we input the coordinates of the wind turbine. But be careful, the coordinates should be the decimal format. And if your coordinates are different formats, such as like degree, minutes, seconds, please convert it into the decimal format first. So now I'll put the 2 wind turbine information coordinates, wind turbine 1, wind turbine 2, and longitude and latitude, and also here. So also I just type it randomly, so you can type any coordinates as you want. So now we have 2 wind turbines, and if you're okay with those information, now click here to generate a KMZ file. And if it's okay, okay. So now a KMZ file is being generated. So then you can, it's already now generated, then you can click this file and you will see how it looks like. Yeah, now we have a color in green, and also it's heading to northeast as we entered. And as a file name, this is actually project name, and this is a wind turbine name, and each name is corresponding to the model like this. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video.